Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? In today's video, we're talking about rare and valuable Roosevelt dimes worth money. Saving for retirement is a long-term endeavor for most of us. But if you owned a dime, like what we're about to see in this video, you'd be well on your way to your goals. Let's get right into it so it all makes sense. Look at the rainbow toning on this 1951 Proof 68 Plus Deep Cameo Roosevelt dime. It's close to a perfect circle on the back. The front of the dime has the toning also, but it doesn't look as good as the back. A near-perfect dime like this from 1951 brought in $18,800 when it sold at auction. Here's a good-looking 1950 Roosevelt dime. It's a proof coin minted specifically for collectors. It was graded Proof 68 by PCGS. This beautiful dime sold at auction for almost $19,000. This is a beautiful dime right here. This is a 1956 Proof 69 DCAM. DCAM means Deep Cameo, which is the designation given to coins with nice contrast between the frosted raised parts of the design and the darker field of the dime. The Proof 69 grade is on a scale of 1 to 70, so this is almost a perfect coin. It sold at auction for almost $20,000. This dime right here is insane. It was graded Mint State 64 and there's no date on it. Why, you ask? Because this dime was minted with two reverse dies. Either someone at the mint made a huge mistake or there was some mint mischief going on that day at the mint. This rare dime sold at auction for over $26,000. Holy double-sided dimes, Batman! The Joker would win every coin flip betting tails on this double tail dime. This dime doesn't have a date because it was struck between two reverse dies. Another example of mint mischief going on at the U.S. Mint. This dime was graded by PCGS and came in at a Mint State 64. It sold for $26,400. Here's a no-date dime graded Mint State 65. This dime sold at auction for $42,300. What's so special about this dime, and why is it an oval shape like a football? Because it was struck on a nail. There are more questions about how this happened and how it got out of the mint than there are answers. Either way, this dime struck on a nail sold for $42,300. This is an extremely rare 1968 No S dime. Now this is a proof coin, so don't expect to find one of these in your pocket change. These coins resemble the Philadelphia minted coins because Philadelphia dimes in 1968 didn't have a mint mark. This dime wouldn't have been minted in Philadelphia because it's a proof coin, and proof coins for this year were only minted in San Francisco. There aren't many of these dimes out there. If you have a proof set from 1968, you definitely want to check for that S. If it's not there, you're looking at some big money. This one sold at auction for over $48,000. Is this a penny or is it a dime? It depends on which side you're looking at. This muled dime was struck on a penny planchet. The obverse die was the correct penny die, but it was muled with a reverse dime die, resulting in this one-of-a-kind coin. This dime was minted in Philadelphia in 1999 and graded Mint State Red by PCGS. The color designation comes from the patina of the penny and can be either red, brown, or red-brown. This penny-dime combo sold at auction for $138,000. This is a big one here. This is a 1975 No S dime. This is a proof coin minted in San Francisco with an obverse Philadelphia die. You might think you have this dime because 1975 dimes minted in Philadelphia don't have a mint mark either. Before you send your no mint mark 1975 dime in for grading and start spending that $500,000 you think you're going to get, you need to make sure you have a proof dime and not a regular business strike dime. This dime sold for almost $450,000. This dime right here sold at auction for $456,000. Let's find out why. If you want to try your luck at the No S dime, you're going to have to look at mint sets. There were over 2.8 million proof dimes minted in San Francisco in 1975, and they have an S mint mark. Proof dimes are minted for collectors and have a much better strike and a shiny finish due to specially polished dies. The proof proof dimes were displayed in these plastic cases and sold with other denominations for the same year as mint sets. The no S dimes were first discovered in 1975. There could be undiscovered 1975 no S dimes sitting in a mint set in your grandfather's closet right now. Finding one of these dimes can help set you up for retirement. You'll find the mint mark on this 1975 S on the front of the coin above the year right here. If your 1975 mint set dime is missing that S, you're halfway there to becoming a millionaire. If you thought those dime prices were off the hook, take a look at the penny video on your left. Thanks for watching.